Fire drills on ships are not just a regulatory requirement. They are a critical component of maritime safety. Every crew member must be prepared for emergencies, and fire drills ensure that everyone knows their role when the alarm sounds. Today, I want to take you through the importance of these drills, how they are conducted, and the equipment involved. First, let's talk about why fire drills are essential. Ships are often isolated in vast oceans, making immediate assistance from external sources nearly impossible. A fire can spread rapidly, threatening lives and property. Regular drills help crew members practice their response to a fire, ensuring they can act swiftly and effectively. This preparedness can mean the difference between a minor incident and a catastrophic event. Now, let's break down a typical fire drill. It usually begins with a simulated alarm, which prompts the crew to spring into action. Each member has specific responsibilities, from reporting to designated muster stations to checking firefighting equipment. The drill is designed to mimic real-life scenarios, so crew members can practice using fire extinguishers, hoses, and other firefighting tools. Speaking of equipment, let's discuss the essential firefighting gear every ship should have. Fire extinguishers are the first line of defense, and they come in various types, including water, foam, and CO2 extinguishers, each suited for different kinds of fires. Fire hoses, complete with nozzles, are crucial for tackling larger blazes. Additionally, every ship should be equipped with fire blankets, smoke detectors, and personal protective equipment, such as fire-resistant suits and breathing apparatuses. The real-life impact of these drills cannot be overstated. There have been numerous instances where effective fire drills have saved lives. For example, a well-executed drill on a cargo ship led to the rapid containment of a fire that could have escalated into a disaster. Compliance with international maritime regulations, such as the Safety of Life at Sea SOLAS Convention, mandates these drills, ensuring that ships operate under the highest safety standards. Engaging in these drills not only fulfills legal obligations, but also fosters a culture of safety on board. When crew members understand the importance of their training, they are more likely to take it seriously. This mindset can significantly enhance overall safety and efficiency during actual emergencies. As we wrap up this discussion, I encourage you to think about the fire safety protocols on your own vessel. Are you familiar with the procedures? Do you know where the firefighting equipment is located? Take the time to review these aspects, and if you're part of a crew, participate actively in drills. Your safety and that of your fellow crew members depend on it. If you found this information valuable, consider engaging with this video and subscribing to the channel for more insights into maritime safety and practices. Remember, preparedness is key in our ocean journeys.